What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel for another episode of Crazy Delicious Food. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of Indian curries. 5 incredible recipes, each more mouth-watering than the last. Now let's get cooking. Before we crank up the heat, make sure you smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the culinary chaos. Alright guys, first up we're tackling the king of Indian curries, chicken tikka masala. This dish is not just a meal, it's an experience. This dish is a guaranteed crowd pleaser, so pay close attention. It's perfect for family gatherings, parties, or just a cozy night in. We're going to start by marinating our chicken in a mix of 1 cup yogurt, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon ginger, 1 tablespoon garlic, and a special blend of spices. 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon coriander, the works. This marinade infuses the chicken with incredible flavor and tenderness. While the chicken marinates, we'll whip up a creamy tomato-based sauce with 2 onions, 4 tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 tablespoon ginger. A touch of cream, a sprinkle of 1 teaspoon garam masala, and a few other secret spices to elevate the taste. And boom! We're talking next-level deliciousness. This sauce is rich, creamy, and bursting with flavor. Sear the marinated chicken to perfection, getting that beautiful char and smoky flavor, then add it to our creamy tomato sauce and let it simmer. This allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. Serve it up with a side of fluffy basmati rice or warm naan bread, both of which are perfect for soaking up that delicious sauce, and get ready for a flavor explosion. Trust me, this chicken tikka masala will be the star of your meal. Next up, we're showing some love to our vegetarian friends with a dish that's both delicious and satisfying. We're making a paneer butter masala that will rock your world and leave you craving for more. Start by lightly pan-frying 250 grams of paneer until it's golden brown and slightly crispy on the outside. This gives it a wonderful texture. For the sauce, we're talking 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 large onion, 3 tomatoes, 10 cashews, and a blend of aromatic spices. These ingredients come together to create a rich and flavorful base. Simmer everything together until the sauce is rich, creamy, and bursting with flavor. The longer it simmers, the better it gets. Fold in our pan-fried paneer and let it soak up all those incredible flavors. This step ensures that every bite is packed with taste. Serve this paneer butter masala with naan bread, roti, or even steamed rice. Each option complements the dish perfectly. It's a vegetarian masterpiece you won't be able to resist. Perfect for any occasion, this dish is sure to impress. Chapter 3. Lamb Rogan. Josh, a taste of Kashmir. Get ready to be transported to the mountains of Kashmir with this incredible lamb rogan josh recipe, a dish that embodies the rich culinary heritage of the region. Start by browning 1 kilogram of lamb in a hot pan with 2 tablespoons of oil to seal in the juices, ensuring each piece is perfectly caramelized. Add aromatics, 2 large onions, 4 cloves of garlic, 1-inch piece of ginger, and a blend of spices like 1 cinnamon stick, 4 cloves, 4 cardamom pods, and 2 bay leaves. These spices are essential to create the deep, complex flavors that define this dish. Slowly add 1 cup of yogurt, stirring constantly to create a creamy, tangy base for our curry. The yogurt not only adds richness, but also balances the spices beautifully. Let the lamb simmer in the sauce until it's incredibly tender, absorbing all the flavors. Then finish it off with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro for a burst of freshness. The aroma alone will have you drooling, filling your kitchen with the scents of Kashmir. Serve this lamb rogan josh with rice, naan, or any other way you like. It's perfect for a hearty meal that will impress your family and friends. It's a culinary journey you won't soon forget. A true taste of Kashmir that brings the flavors of the mountains to your table. Chapter 4. Chana Masala, the Chickpea Champion. Calling all chickpea lovers. This chana masala is for you. Sauté 1 large onion, 2 tomatoes, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 inch of ginger until softened, then add spices. 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon coriander, and 1 teaspoon garam masala. Add 2 cans of chickpeas and simmer in the spiced tomato sauce until they're heated through and infused with flavor. A squeeze of lemon juice at the end brightens up the whole dish. Serve this chana masala with rice, naan, or roti. It's a vegetarian delight that will satisfy your taste buds and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Chapter 5. Fish curry, coastal flavors. Get ready for a taste of the coast with this incredible fish curry. Marinate 500 grams of fish in a mixture of 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon chili powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. Prepare the curry base with 1 cup coconut milk, 2 chopped onions, 2 chopped tomatoes, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, 4 minced garlic cloves, and a blend of spices. Once the base is simmering, gently add the marinated fish and let it cook through. Finish off the curry with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice. Serve this fish curry with rice or naan. It's a light and flavorful dish that's perfect for a warm summer evening. Alright guys, that's a wrap on our Indian curry adventure. 5 incredible recipes, each more delicious than the last. I'm serious, these curries are next level good. I want you to pick one of these recipes, try it at home, and let me know which one reigns supreme in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more epic food adventures because trust me, we're just getting started. Until next time, peace out.